I hope you guys can see this. Hobie cutting through some ice. Do a quick check-in here. Fishing in a different spot than last time. I have thrown, geez, what have I thrown? We tried the lipless crankbait. We tried big white with a little chartreuse crankbait. I think it goes down to about 14, 15 feet. Tried trolling that a little bit too. And we saw some arcs on the fish finder. Oh, we tried a jerkbait, 2 different jerkbaits, drop shot. I got hung up in something. I should probably fish. Probably a log. Right. No zero for this hero. Whew. We did it. The 14-inch smallmouth, my best ever at Pueblo Reservoir. Actually my first bass here at Pueblo, first bass in the Hobie. Using this heavy spoon going down, God, I want to say it was about 40 feet, right on the bottom. So yeah, we're gonna go for it again. Numero dos. Oh. Yeah, second smallmouth. All right. Oh, geez. Spoon came out in the net. $14. Beautiful, beautiful smallmouth. And they're off. Hell yeah. That I was in 45, 50 feet of water, just dead drifting, you know, jigging pretty much straight down. But this is what I'm talking about, this hump right here. So 57 feet, water's 39.2 degrees. You know, some arcs here at 20 to 30 feet. Been seeing that. Well, these are less. Been seeing that all day though. So yeah, let's go for it again. See what happens. Well, I'll close out the day. Oh, there's that eagle again. I don't know if you guys can see him. Up there. The both fish were pretty deep, both on the same silver spoon, which I think looks just like a dying shad in this cold water. So really excited about the coming season, continuing to master the lake here, just get some more time on the water. But yeah, beautiful day, kind of cold now, sun definitely not as bright as it was, but I mean I fished all day and didn't get anything until 3 something. Look at that timestamp on my phone later, but yeah, 3 something, first fish after 6 hours of fishing. So it just goes to show, never give up and always stay persistent, because things change, conditions change. And geez, I mean, bass forecast today was real low, high pressure system in right now, and yeah, what a day though.